Oh, dodgy again. What hospital are you in?
No, that's always from Antrim.
It's 11:49.
It is 11:49. You're right now. You're at 11:47.
And possibly the 11:53.
And possibly the 11:53. You can pretty much work out where the services go to at this point.
Yeah. Quarter down and then one going to Bangor.
Yeah. Via Great Victoria Street. Yeah. I'll stay here, so
What's the expected renewal just across the sound?
a renewal?
Yeah, like, or I think that you converted it into an MCB Mark II. MCB OD Mark II.
Wasn't there a level crossing recently that just got that?
Yeah, they were popular.
Oh, I thought there was one on Wheels as well.
What, one on wheels? I wasn't aware of that.
Was it like San Tristan West? No, I don't know. If
talking like Canelli West.
If Theo Trains Wheels is watching this video, he could probably tell me. Shout out to you, my friend.
Yo.
You watch Theo as well, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I'm also experiencing. I
like his
the
videos.
conflict between Jack and Junior.
Yeah. I mean,
It's just like those things where the bull and like the man with the red rug.
I heard that there's some other controversy going on with Covis as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, but him hacking people's accounts on Roblox just because they won't be friends with him. Huh?
There it is. 4,000.
All right, there's another 4,000 here. So stupid.
407.
Oh right, this must be the only one then. Yeah.